Hey guys, it's that time of the year. It's finally happening. There is a 15% off discount off eBay through their app. We're going to go over some items that you can probably pick up with the Sony mirrorless stuff, lenses, and camera bodies that I think you should look at. Here's the thing, it's going to go fast and it's going to end quick. It ends today at 8 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So let's go ahead and take a look at it now. All right. First of all, this cheat sheet was posted on my previous video. If you haven't checked it out, click on the link somewhere over there. But it's really handy because I broke down the prices, and what's really interesting is the prices have changed. So if we take a look here, what eBay has done is they are doing 15% off. They're doing 15% off your cart with a max of $100. There's no minimum, so you can spend up to whatever amount. So in other words, if you buy something that's around $680, you're going to drop it down by $100. So to maximize this coupon, you want to buy something that is between $650 to $700 US. Now, for my international friends, I do apologize. This won't be too helpful for you, but let's go ahead and take a look on my cheat sheet here. So if you take a look at the document that I put together, there's a link for it, and there's quite a few people looking at it right now. Let's go ahead and start with the APS-C side of things. So I want to look at the actual retail price first. That's the most important thing. I want to look at a lens based on its retail price to see the maximum amount of money I can save off of this item. So the 1650 is not that much. The 35 f1.8, maybe you're after this. And by the way, you can only use this coupon once from what I understand. The Sony 10 to 18 is incredible. So look at this one. It's going for $848. It's going for about $800 right now. This is a good example of a lens that you can get a really great price for. I have this eBay link here. So what you can do is if you click on this, I don't know if how many are available. It might just be one. There's only one left. So if you add this to your cart, and then later you can go on your phone, and then you can go ahead and pull it up on your phone and do the checkout and add the pick fast. And then when you do the savings, you're going to be able to get the 10 to 18 for $565. That is insane. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at this next one here. The Sony 18 to 105 is also a pretty good one. I have a link here, and it goes for about $420 after the coupon, roughly. Another one that is on the radar is the Sony 16 to 70 f4. Do I have that lens here? I don't think I have it here as far as my batch here. That one's going for $998 retail. And then with the coupon, the one that I found on eBay, $694, and there's only one. Add it to cart, and then go ahead and run the discount. Comes out to $594. Those are incredible savings. The Sony 18 to 135 that I absolutely like. I don't own this lens. I might actually pick it up based on this deal. We'll see. There's only 4 left, so we'll see if that just disappears. This has a USA warranty, and also, by the way, look and check and see if it says Sony dealer if you want to make sure it has a warranty. You stack that on there, $423 out the door. That's a really good price. Let's see here. The Sony, I found this crazy deal for the Sony 24 f1.8. Remember this lens? If you saw my previous video, I said don't get this lens. You can go ahead and click on this link that I have here. I think it's only one available. Someone's selling it. After this discount, it's $416. $416 for the 24 f1.8. That's a good deal. And then if you take a look here with the Sigma 16mm lenses, they're going for some really good rates right now. Those refurb ones I mentioned before, with the discount, you can get the Sigma 16 1.4 for $339. Folks, these are good deals right now. Let's see here. These are a bit low on the radar, so if your budget's pretty low, those are some good choices. Let's look at full frame choices right now. This one right now should be gone. I don't know why it's even still here. Here's the crazy thing. So here's the 85 f1.8. Here's the eBay link I posted. I don't know. This should be gone already at this point. Okay, it says 6 available. $573. I added this to my cart, and I wanted to make sure it works. It's $487. The 85 f1.8. If you just picked up a full frame body, this is a great pairing. It's $487. That thing's going to disappear really quick. The 70 to 200, those deals are out there. Here's the thing. Again, remember, the goal is you want to find a product that's about $650 to $700, roughly, around that price point. So let's look again. This is all live. I haven't investigated all these deals yet. Unfortunately, the Tamron 20 to 75 would be an awesome one, but it's not there. It's the one I found is $8.99, so you're not saving a whole lot. Let's see here. You can get a great deal on the 28 to F2. I have a link here for one of them, and you stack on that discount. You can drop it down for under $400 for the 28 to F2. That isn't bad. Let's see here. The Zeiss 55 F1.8. I don't have a link yet set up there, but let's just do some quick on the live searching here. Let's type in Sony 55mm f1.8. Let's see what comes up. Let's see here. Brand new, 827. Brand new. I would dig around more and see if you can find one with a warranty, but I'm going to guess they're going to be very, very expensive. So what I'm doing is I'm looking for brand new ones. It looks like $849 roughly. Oh, $829 right here. Let's see. I'm going to create a link for this one for you guys, and I'm going to put it on there. So $829 minus the 15%, you're going to get $100 off on this. So it's going to be $729. So if you've been itching for one of these, that's a really good price. I think that's a pretty good price for a brand new one if you're looking for a brand new 55. Let's keep going down here. These I haven't searched on eBay. I'm going to try to add some links for those, but these will be even cheaper than they already are. And then the Sigma lenses, let's just do a quick search on one of these before I finish off this. Well, I still got to go over the lenses, but Sigma 135, that one's something I've been eyeballing. But the thing is, it's really priced up there, $12.99. Add on the $100 discount, that's going to go down to $11.99. Those are some really good prices. Let's see here. Maybe you're in the market for the Sigma 35 f1.4, guys. Let's take a look at this Sigma 35mm f1.4. Let's see. Maybe you're looking for the Sony variant or something like that. Let's see if we can even get it. Here we go. Sony E-mount. Take a look at this one. You get the pick fast with this deal right here, and that's going to bring it down to $699 for that combo. I would see if you can find one with a warranty, potentially. That would make the deal even sweeter, but it looks like, wow, this one's $723. That's for Sony. That's not for E-mount. So those are some quick tips for you. I'm going to dive into the camera stuff now. I'm trying to speed through this video. Let's go ahead and take a look at it and check out the deals. Unfortunately, the sellers have increased their prices. They caught wind of it, and they usually will increase their prices so the sales go down. So let's jump back to my Google Doc here. I have Sony cameras down here in the tab. You can click on it, and we can see if we can save some more money. Let's take a look here. All right, so $429 for the A6000 kit. Take a look. I posted this just yesterday, and now look at the price. It's $499. They caught wind of it. They bumped up the price, unfortunately. Let's see here. Let's check Sony a6300 body. Let's see if they bumped up the price. $659. Whoa. That $659 with the 50% off. I apologize for this being done in such a rush here, guys. So if we do that, minus this times 0.15, $560 for the A6300. $560 body only for the A6300. That is an incredible deal there. Let's take a look at this other one here. Okay, they've already bumped the price on this one. That one's gone. Let's see here. A6500, $1159. Oh, crap. I just closed the sheet. Let's see here. Well, you guys already seen all of that already at this point. You guys kind of know what's going on. Let's go ahead and bring this up really quick. So, Sony cameras, A6500. So they kept the same price. So you can get the kit, the A6500 with the kit for $1059, and the next closest price from B&H Photo is $1396. That's sorry about that. It's $1059. That's what you can get it at right there. It looks like it's still available at that price. The A72 body only is still there. It's going for $902. You can get it for $802. Body only, A7 II. The kit one I think is still there. The A9, well, these are pretty high priced. The A7R2 body only, let's see, is that out there? Yes, it is out there. You can get it down for $14.98 body only. So this is a really great way for those of you that don't have the EDU discount. If you found some value out of this video, smash that like button, share this video, because after 8 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, this video is completely useless. But go ahead and share with your friends. Help them get some really good deals. You can use the links as a starting point and then do some more search on eBay, guys. This is just a starting point. I don't really care if you use the links or not, but use it as a way to kind of guide yourself through your searches and purchases. Good luck and good shopping.